Welcome to our channel. I'm Mr. Lynn.
And I'm Mr. Smith.
Thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate it.
We are STEM students at the Urban Prep Brownsville campus.
We made this channel to help students like ourselves prepare for advanced placement exams.
Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share our video. Thanks a lot.
Good morning, Urban Prep, and welcome to yet another episode of STEM Up. I'm here with your boy, Devo Dollars, and your corresponding host, Don Quelos. So, Devo, what's on the agenda for today?
On today's episode, we'll discuss the animal cell.
Wait, so you're telling me there are cells that look like animals?
No, dummy. Living things are composed of cells. Animals are alive, so we're going to talk about what their cells look like.
Oh, okay. Thanks for clearing that up. So that must mean that plants have cells as well. I know for a fact that they're alive.
Absolutely. The first thing to take note of is that the animal cell has a brain called the nucleus. The nucleus directs all cell activity.
So you mean to tell me that the cell can't make any regular decisions without being instructed by the nucleus first?
Correct. Think of it as a bubble. It is protected from the surrounding environment.
But it's inside the cell. What does it need protection from? Knocks on the block? 12?
That's a really good question, but not the ops or the cops. But there's actually DNA in the form of chromosomes inside of the cell.
Oh, no way. So you're telling me that DNA is actually inside the nucleus?
See, DNA is really important. It carries genetic material that determines how something is going to physically look. For example, the fact a strawberry has seeds on the outside is decided by DNA.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Another really important aspect of the animal cell is that it has little compartments that have specialized functions called organelles. The nucleus is considered an organelle.
Oh, okay. So what are some other organelles?
Well, my favorite organelle is the lysosome.
Lysosome? What you mean, like Lysol for breathing? Like, what you talking about?
Oh man, see, it's funny that you say that because it operates much like Lysol. It digests any leftover material or waste and cleans up the cell.
Oh, okay. I think I like that. Is there an organelle that is like a battery that makes everything run?
It sure is. The mitochondria is responsible for creating ATP, the energy source that powers many of the cell's activities.
So you mean to tell me that if I want to move something against its concentration gradient from a low to a high concentration, the cell needs to make ATP?
That's exactly what I'm saying. There's also an organelle that makes proteins called the ribosome.
Oh, I remember ribosomes. They're like little balls of life creating proteins wherever they go.
Yes. Ribosomes are special because they can be found in two places in the cell, in the cytosol or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. That's what makes it rough.
So you're saying that there are two ERs and not just the one on TV. So like a rough one that has ribosomes attached and a smooth one without ribosomes.
Yup. The endoplasmic reticulum is right outside of the nucleus. It plays a big role in creating lipids and clearing away toxins.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So what does the Golgi apparatus do?
See, Golgi apparatus makes, modifies, and packages proteins before they leave the cell.
So if a protein like a sugar molecule, before it leaves the cell, is added to the Golgi apparatus?
You cook it with sugar, baby.
Okay, I know what your favorite organelle is. It's the lysosome. But which do you think is the most important?
I gotta give it to the cell membrane, you know. It's selective, so it lets some things in, but not everything in.
So the cell membrane is like a security guard. It protects like the cell from letting bad stuff in.
Hey, you got it, Don Quelos.
And that was another episode of STEM Up with your boy,
Devo Dollars, man.
and your host, Don Quelos, signing off.
Thank you.